What's poppin'? King Eugene in the building. And this is my 30-day workout results. So this is how I started off. No gym, no PEDs, no workout partner. I didn't even count calories. A lot of smoothies, meal replacements on top of my meals, and a lot of working out. So the first week, I did not see any results, but I started to feel myself getting a little bit stronger. Now, the second week, I did start to see it. I started seeing results. I did not start this workout to gain weight, but once I saw that, I was encouraged. The third week, I upped my workout, started eating more, and I was really starting to see the results and feel it as well. Now, this fourth week, it was almost a wrap. I was starting to bust out on my shirts. The workouts was getting too easy. And I was like, man, this is cake. But that fifth week, I started feeling it. My arms was getting sore. Body was getting tight. But I just kept going and kept growing. Yeah. So this is the final results. Look at your boy. I put on 20 pounds. Look at that progress. Look at that growth, that consistency. So I'm gonna show y'all the full workout that I did. Although I did focus on my arms the most, I was doing a full body routine. Because I'm not trying to be looking like SpongeBob running around with big old arms and tiny little legs. You feel me?
3G. Yeah. I do what I do. You do it through me.